Hello mga mi! Tara gawa tayo ng Chips Miniature Keychain. Let's go! Ihanda natin ang mga templates. And ang photo paper is 230 GSM and ready to print. What you need: squeegee, scissor, eyelet puncher, double-sided tape, eyelet, and the keychain holder. And also the photo top. Let's do it! Now you cut the templates into the desired size. Make sure na pag kinat natin, you have the space for the double-sided tape or any glue that you need to use. Next, let's put the photo top. You may also use 30 micron laminating sheet if you want to. Now I use scoring tools to draw a line on the template. This is for easy folding of the template. I cut double-sided tape to put on the template. Actually, you can also use glue or glue stick, whatever you prefer to use here. Dito, nilagyan ko lang siya ng magnetic sheets para magmukha siyang may laman. Bago idikit yung taas, make sure na shinape muna natin yung gilid para mas mukha siyang full at hindi flat. Dito, ini-score ko lang siya para mas mukha siyang real life chips. Next, i-cut natin yung mga excess white sa template. Now, I use puncher para may hole. Then, after, use the eyelet puncher. Ikabit na natin yung keychain holder. And voila! Happy crafting! Thank you mga mi! Bye!